Hi and welcome to Bookalet. Today we're going to look at the new holiday property website builder recently introduced. In your management console you'll find a new section called Website Builder, and you simply click on this and it'll take you to a page which describes very briefly what the website builder does and how, combined with your existing Bookalet account, it can provide you with a one-stop solution to all your website needs. So just click Get Started and it'll take you to a new page where you simply just need to name your new website. And in this case, we've called it Beach House. Then click Next and it will take you to a page where you can either start with a completely blank template or a series of pre-built websites which you can choose from. So you can take a preview of each of the templates to see which one you like. And once you've found one that you do like, you simply click that template and that will become your default website that you can now work on. So you now arrive at the homepage of your new website, which you're able to modify. Each page is made up of a series of blocks or sections, and each of these sections has properties associated with them. Now you can edit these properties. In this case, we're looking at an image slider, and you can change the images or add an image, or you can change the padding around it, and just save that. Below it, we have an image link where again you can select the properties and change the image or change the alt text. You can link it to a page that exists on the website already, or an outside URL if that's what you want to do. We're going on to look at just a text block, simple text block, and again you can make it bold or italic. You can also select the properties and change the font size or the font color or the alignment. So there's a number of things that you can do to the existing page. Each of these blocks or sections is signified by a blue cross. Clicking on the blue cross allows you to add a new content block. That can be an intro block, a title block, content blocks, images, which can be standard images or a slideshow, or images with a link or a video, contact us blocks, which is a contact us form or a map. And then finally widgets, which is adding the Bookalet widgets, booking forms and so on to your own website. You can also add sub-elements to these sections, signified by the grey crosses. And this time they're just simple titles, text blocks or graphics or links, just a way of extending each one of those sections. Once you save the page, you can then move on to any other page that you wish to edit. So we now click on Pages on the left-hand navigation bar, and we see all of the pages that make up this particular website. We're going to have a look at About Us next, which is the second page. Again, just text and graphics. And we can see that we can either delete a page by clicking on the bin, or to duplicate the page to add a different page. We have to say what we're going to call it in terms of navigation, page title, page description, keywords, and whether it's a page in its own right or a sub-page of another page. You can also add a completely new page. In this case, we just, whether it's a blank page or a text page or a property list page, and this time we're going to do a blank page, and you just press select and it takes you through the process. In addition to pages, we also have what we call design. Now, design sets the top level properties of your entire website, covering colors, fonts, headers, footers, and navigation. You see, we start with color, and we can change the colors for the headers, the navigation bar, the body content, and the footer, and we can change the font colors, the background colors, the highlighted colors. We see here on the navigation bar, we've changed it to red. We're not going to save it because it's not a particularly nice color, but it just shows what flexibility you have in terms of color selection. Next, we're going to look at the fonts. We've got a series of built-in fonts which you can select, and you can select different fonts for the navigation bar, for the page titles, and for the body text. It gives you flexibility, and it's up to you. In terms of navigation, we see the navigation at the top of the page. You can select which pages are shown in the navigation and which aren't. You can also change the order of what's shown first and so on. You can align it, and you can choose the font size as well. In terms of a header, obviously you don't want to be adding it to every single page, so you can choose your sort of global header and save that, and the same for a footer. And on the footer, you can add such things as links to social media, and with the properties section, you can also put in the URL of each of the Facebook, Twitter links, and Google Plus links, etc. So again, that is in the design section, which is the top level, which will filter through down to the rest of the site. So that's just a brief view of how the website builder works. We'll be bringing out more detailed videos in the near future, so watch this space. Thank you.